If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To delete transaction history in Revolut, assuming we have a transaction here. Now, in order to delete the transaction, in this card, you will see, assuming we have a list of transaction. Above that transaction history, you will see a three dot in here, and if you want to delete it all, just click on it, then it will pop out a customized number where you can customize how many transactions you're going to delete. And that's how you delete transaction in Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.